Hi, good morning, Comox Valley. My name is Jazz, and we just got a 2010 Honda Civic, mint condition. I'll give you a walk around on that. So this is 2010 Honda Civic, island vehicle, no accident, one owner only, not even a single scratch on the body. Tires are about 80%, and brakes are about 60% left on it. They just bought a brand new Kona. If you can see the condition, it's got super low kilometers. That's the back seat. It has only 108,000 k. Price for 10,999. Does have a sunroof plus talk and taxes. If you're looking for fuel efficient Honda Civic, come see Jazz at Comox Valley Hyundai. Thanks.